JR, it's gonna be over your head.
I didn't even put any pressure. It was probably too cold, wasn't it?
That's what I said.
Too cold.
I was just slowly putting this in and it just. Oh, man. I can fix this piece. What's that piece over
Ain't that a bitch? JR, what the fuck are you doing, dude?
Wow, I'm awesome, man. God damn it.
I got a
Oh, that's a lot of resin. Son of a
Nice.
bitch, that's a cheap bone. This bone is fucking broke. I'm gonna hit somebody with this. Somebody shut my fucking door. I heard it fucking get different. Stop.
That bitch is fucked up.
This cost me $32.50. And it broke.
JR, it sucks for you, man.
Hey, shut the fuck
I
up.
can't believe you just broke the fucking ball.
I didn't break it.
That is a bitch.
Why couldn't it just broke all right there?
Dude.
Dude, I got nothing but falling water up all on my